Welcome back. You are now looking at Agile CRM, and this is one of the systems that connect with Amazon SES. And once again, we're looking at the pricing schedule, and you'll notice that at the $29.99 level, that the number of subscribers that you would have available to you would be 50,000. Email Octopus for 50,000 subscribers, the cost is $39 a month, and for FormGet it is $49 a month. For EasySendE Pro, it's $59 a month for 100,000 subscribers. Now, these are hybrid connections because you don't have to maintain the software, the server, in order to interact with Amazon SES. Now, the fairest comparison to make with this kind of solution is going to be a traditional autoresponder. And as you can see, for over 25,000 subscribers with AWeber, the cost would be over $149 a month. And for GetResponse, you'll see a similar cost scale on a monthly basis. So apart from features, if you were making a decision solely on the basis of cost and getting started, and you prefer not to work with some of the technical aspects of the server, a mid-range solution might be the cloud-based systems that interact and use Amazon SES. So you'll want to take this into consideration when you are making your decision as to which service you're going to connect with Amazon SES. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.